that Midnight Children is a novel. You can click the pictures of the slides and post it on WhatsApp. Then those who cannot see can then study at that time. But at present, you can listen to me. So, Midnight Children is a novel about struggle for independence. Right? India, how India had to struggle to gain independence. That is then the partition of India, how Bangladesh and Pakistan were formed at the time of independence. Second point. And its repercussions. Repercussions means after effects. After effects कि partition होने के बाद उसका असर क्या हुआ आने वाले दिनों में. And post independence day. So these are all things that are happening one after another. First of all, there was struggle for independence. Then came independence. With independence came partition of India. Partition of India was a very strong political move. So it had its own repercussions, its own effects, after effects. And then how post-independent days were passed in India. What happened in post-independence period, just after independence. Okay, the Holocaust of partition of India has been presented in a realistic manner. There was so much of violence, there was so much of bloodshed, there were so much of religious riots, right? So all these things were happening at the time of partition of India. So that kind of Holocaust is also shown here in a very realistic manner. Realistic means as it had happened. Okay, just like real. The novel reflects a period of about 70 years in India's modern history. 70 years cover किया है. That means before independence से शुरू होती है novel और after independence तक चलती है. पूरा 70 years का period cover कर रहा है. This is why this novel is Bildungsroman. Bildungsroman means, this we will see later in later slides. Bildungsroman means something which is very vast, very long, which very broad, which covers each and every aspect from beginning till the end. It begins in the past, ends somewhere in the future. It goes on and on. That is Bildungsroman. So 70 years of India's modern history, before independence till after independence, dealing with the events leading to partition, why and how partition took place, and after that. So we should not read it as a book of history. Just remember that Salman Rushdie has used historical background, but the technique through which these things are presented, that is also very important, because that the techniques make it not only post-colonial novel but also post-modern novel. What is post-modern, we will see it later. Right now, after this, Salim Sinai, the main character of the novel is Salim Sinai. Okay, he is the central character. So Midnight Children covers, wherever it is written Midnight Children, usko Midnight Children padna, because I have to correct this. So Midnight Children covers the experiences of 3 generations of Sinai family. ठीक है, तो सिन्नई उनका सरनेम है. सिन्नई फैमिली की 3 जनरेशन, दैट मीन्स ग्रैंडफादर, फादर एंड स्टोरी ऑफ सलीम. These 3 जनरेशन. ठीक है, सलीम, father and his grandfather, तीनों की स्टोरी बताते हैं. They are living in Srinagar, then Amritsar and Agra, then Bombay, and finally at the time of partition migrating to Karachi. तो ये सारे setting of the novel is Srinagar, Amritsar, Agra, Mumbai, it was called Bombay, and then Karachi. Is it clear?
दिल्ली में भी तो रहते हैं.
हाँ, 1 or 2 cities may be left out, right? बहुत सारा है. अच्छा, सलीम सिन्नई, कोलकाता भी आएगा इसमें. अच्छा, सलीम सिन्नई is the narrator of the events. Salim Sinha is telling you how the things have happened. Okay, and this Salim Sinha is working in pickle factory by day and records his experiences. He's writing the entire history, he's writing the entire story during night time, and that story is a novel. Okay, and in that novel, the story he's writing, he himself is the central character. So in his novel, he's telling you the connection between the public affairs and the private life of Indian society. Fine.
Yes.
So with the help of Salim's personal collective events, जितने experiences, जो भी experiences हुए हैं, वो सब उसने कलेक्ट किया. कल मैंने आप लोगों को 2 कोटेशन भेजे थे व्हाट्सएप पे. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो, उसका एक एक वर्ड समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस नॉवल you have to understand what he is saying there in the novel. ये quotations novel में से ही हैं, right? तो सलीम उसमें है ना, who am I? He Salim is asking. He's saying that I am sum total of all the experience. तो एक इंसान क्या होता है, उसके साथ जो जो कुछ होता है वो सारी चीजें उसके अंदर जाती हैं, वो उसके व्यक्तित्व को बनाती हैं. उसके अपने जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, इंसान हर आदमी की जो पर्सनैलिटी है ना, उसके कलेक्शन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस है. दिस इज व्हाट ही इज सेइंग बेसिकली. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सलीम्स पर्सनल कलेक्टिव एक्सपीरियंसेस, उसके अपने जो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, द नॉवल हाईलाइट्स ऑल द मेजर इवेंट्स ऑफ 20th century इंडियन हिस्ट्री. तो उसने जो प्री इंडिपेंडेंस से शुरू किया है, तो 20th century had started there. So what were the major events that took place in Indian history? They all are there in Midnight Shift. Just remember the word Bildungsroman. 70 years of Indian history you find in this novel. Okay. There's a truthful picture of typical Indian divisions and dissents. इंडिया की नॉट ओनली इंडिया को कैसे डिवाइड किया गया है, लेकिन डिफरेंट इंडियन बिलीव्स और डिसेंट्स मीन्स डिसएग्रीमेंट्स, फिर केओस, जो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट किया गया उस समय, देन इल्यूजन, एक भ्रम सा होता है ना कि ऐसा है बट रियलिटी में भी क्वाइट डिफरेंट, देन कम्युनल टेंशन, किस तरह से हिंदू मुस्लिम और ये सारा कुछ किया था, फिर रिलीजियस फेनेटिज्म. फेनेटिसिज्म क्या होता है? फेनेटिक्स. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड, फेनेटिक. Being religious is very good thing. Okay, fine. You are religious. It's good. You are spiritual. It is good. But जब ये religion की बात पागलपन की हद तक चली जाए, fanatics, that means you lose your power of logic, you lose your power of being rational, you lose your power of love for mankind, then you talk about religious fanaticism. When you're talking about killing each other, okay, when you're talking about violence, bloodshed, that is religious fanaticism.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these all things are there. Then besides traditional values and modernizing efforts, I told you that after independence, the cultural hybridity that we talked about. So traditional values are okay, but as the time passes, your cultural traditional values change because you are interacting with people from other culture. So there are certain things you assimilate into that culture. Okay, so that is modernizing effort. So traditional values are there at one place, at the same time there are efforts to modernize also. Salim Sinha is aware of all historical events, his birth at the beginning, okay, and all the movements that were thrust upon him, all these things are there, right? So he is aware of the historical movements at his birth, at that benighted moment thrust upon him. उसकी choice नहीं है कि वो उस समय पैदा हो ठीक 12 बजे 15 अगस्त को, but he is born at that time. So Salim Sinha is aware of all the historical events, his birth, at the benighted moment thrust upon him at the time. That time a dangerous sort of involvement is taking place. This is complicated. Until you do not know the story of the novel, it is difficult to discuss that. Do you want to say something? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to, is it clear? These two slides are very clear. क्योंकि शुरू से ही आपको इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ के चलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आगे आगे स्टोरी ना बहुत ही इसमें मैजिकल रियलिज्म आ जाएगा, मैजिकल स्ट्रेटजी आ जाएगी. दिस नॉवल विल बिकम वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो इसलिए बहुत धीरे धीरे बहुत अच्छी तरह से यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके, सो कैन वी मूव फॉरवर्ड ना? फाइन. अभी
Yes,
कोई क्लास
ma'am.
तो, अभी आपकी कोई क्लास तो नहीं है?
No.
Okay,
No,
just
ma'am.
give
No, ma'am.
just
No,
give me
ma'am.
5 to 10 minutes extra. Just give me, so that we can complete this presentation today at least. Okay, so I have to take it again. मुझे लगा था कि you are going to say something. So yeah, can you see now? Midnight's Children is fairly a political novel. This is very disturbing that everywhere I have written the name of the novel and I have missed apostrophe S. So Midnight's Children is fairly a political novel. It's a political novel. All the political things are there in this novel, and it is presenting the most realistic pictures of the many events of Indian political scenario. Gandhi, Nehru, everything you will find here. Then Rushdie presents the happenings in such a lively manner that it appears as if the political history of Indian subcontinent has been redrawn. दोबारा से बिल्कुल पूरी पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री आप इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट का, खाली इंडिया का नहीं, इंडिया के आसपास की कंट्रीज का भी देख रहे हो. तो the plot of the novel is on the line of Bildungsroman. That is a novel dealing with the person's early development. The novel, इसका नाम मिडनाइट चिल्ड्रन इसलिए है क्योंकि जो इसके जो मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो सब मिडनाइट में ही पैदा हुए हैं ना. सलमान रुश्दी खुद भी himself was born on the stroke of midnight. Now as we move to the novel is the novel is often regarded as an autobiographical piece. किसी ने माइक को अनम्यूट कर दिया है, प्लीज म्यूट कर लो. This is the last slide, just mute your mic. The novel is often regarded as an autobiographical piece of fiction.